Good morning. Good morning. Bali day 6. It's like the days are getting closer and closer to like to the fact that it's almost over. But let's not think about that, guys. Look at my outfit, so cute. We're learning Pinterest today. I'm super excited. Oh, they're doing yoga. Yeah, thank you. We're about to have some breakfast. Yes, guys, we get breakfast every day, lunch every day, dinner every day. Yesterday we came home a little early last night. Kind of ended the vlog a little early. Thank you. Yay. Ooh, breakfast.
Famous last words.
Everyone's like slowly waking their ass up because they went out. We came home early. And I got some good sleep. Yeah. Everybody else didn't come in until like 3 o'clock. We're back. Look at you. Birthday girl.
2 hours later.
Break time.
I don't know, I had a great time last night. Like my friends
working. I'm gonna dig in.
I'm not kidding you. They're like,
I'm dig in.
they're like, I was like, every other drink, I was like, Kirsten, have water. I was like, oh my God.
It's so dangerous.
6 hours later.
A bunch of us are going shopping first before we go to another destination. We wanted to go shopping because yeah. Driver. Here we go. We are at this, what is this called? The Tanalat. The Tanalat. And it's like a temple. And you have to wear a cover up over, you cannot have your shoulders exposed.
Or you have something over your knees.
Yeah, and your, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Girl.
As I said that.
Time. We just got back from shopping. I literally feel like I didn't shop enough. Like I need to shop more, you know? I need to shop more and it was just not enough for me.
Just not enough.
It's just not enough, Kate. We need to shop more. What are you guys drinking?
I'm just sitting right here. Everyone sitting there, it was boring.
I just wanted to thank everyone for making my birthday so special. I wanted to thank you guys for creating the Institute of Code because I've learned so much. I know we all have. It's nice to not be doing it in a classroom where you're able to travel and network.
Yes.
Thank you guys for being patient with us and for asking pretty basic questions. Thank you guys, Savon, Kirsten, Lauren, for being so friendly and open and just like such a great resource. And friend to all of us. It's really refreshing. And I want to thank all of you guys for being so kind and synergizing and working together and helping each other out. Thank you guys for being risk takers and putting your money where your mouth is and showing up to Bali. And I could not have a better birthday. So thank you.
The next day, late.
Day 7? No, not good. It's 5 a.m. in Bali, day 7, and we're gonna be heading out to a waterfall and the water temples. So the crowds are waiting. We're waiting for our car. We're actually waiting for bagels right now.
2 hours later.
We got up at literally 4 a.m. this morning to catch this waterfall at sunrise because it apparently gets packed over here. But today it's just us. I love it. I love it. I love it. So just be ready because there's a shitload of stairs. Look at that. Stairs, 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 stairs. I thought I was done with these stairs. There's more stairs. It's lighting. Oh my gosh. Stairs. More stairs. I'm over these fucking stairs.
Cool. So let's talk about growing an audience. There's so many ways to do this.
6 hours later.
Taking a break. Ooh, Lauren's getting it. It's lunchtime. Best time, food time. Look at everybody here. Everybody's just eating. Let's go check out what we're eating. Yeah. Yeah, get away. Yeah. Look at that. Wanna try?
Anyone like this?
No, it seems like it's supposed to go on there.
We'll see.
So eat a stuff.
You want to be
Yep.
Meanwhile.
So it's literally golden hour right now, which is like really prime with vlogging. I mean with photography. So we're gonna get us some swan pictures. Because of the lighting. The lighting is so gorgeous. Making us our drinks. Okay. So
Did you just switch?
So much better than like last night.
did you share? Ooh. Making me. You got it. See, you got it. He got it. Ooh. Right? Hey. Oh, dinner. Dinner looks good. Dinner. With Savan.
12 o'clock midnight.
Everyone's working on their websites. Well, once. Whitney just went in. I'm so fucking tired. But I feel a little accomplished because I feel like I finally got to move my website over and get working on it. So now, hoping tomorrow I can just like finish up. Peace out. I'll see you guys day 8 tomorrow. Good night.